All right, Karen. Karen, this one's all you.
Okay.
All right?
Okay. What you want?
Come on, Karen.
Okay.
No, man. That's a.
He's like, come on, Aaron.
That's a one. That's a one.
So that's
It went everywhere. I ain't got nothing but dough. Got a little bit of cinnamon. That's a one.
That's killing that pickle pizza. Yeah, man.
That's a hard two. Hard two. You can't. That's only one bite. You can't do more than one bite.
Exquisite. Delicious. Unique. I'd probably say a little 8, real. Yeah. Yeah.
That was better than I thought it was.
Real.
That's pretty
Cookie
solid.
dough?
I give it a 9. 9 out of 10.
Tastes better in Indiana. I've had it before in Cali. Tastes better here. I'll just make them different over here, I guess. But yeah, 10 out of 10.